Ho, ho, ho. How are you doing? I went for a walk this morning and it was 57 degrees. And then I looked at the news and weather report in the Buffalo area, and some people have had up to 6 feet of snow. Unbelievable, huh? For this time of year? And it's only the November. Never mind a blizzard of 78. This one is going to outdo it. According to reports, they're still going to get up to 2 to 3 more inches of feet of snow. So take care and be safe. This is me from Ho 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 Land, but there's no snow here. But anyway, the Christmas spirit is alive. Have a good day. Iki pasimatimo. Until we meet again.